Well, I finally did it. I actually bit the bullet and actually bought some shade cloth, so I'm going to share with you why. So as you can see here, I have this shade cloth, and I finally decided, if you've been a long time viewer of the channel, I've been trying to stay away from shade cloth, stay away from buying another thing from the garden. And really, if you think about it, the average gardener, unless you live in like the super low desert somewhere like Phoenix or somewhere, you don't really need shade cloth. But I could see that my plants were suffering, particularly my peppers, especially in the afternoon. As we can see, they usually wilted really, really bad. And you can kind of see all the plants in here. They are, before I had the shade cloth, these are pretty small plants to be as peppers. And I was always wondering why. I was keeping an eye on them, but we've had a very dry and a very weird, warm summer. So I finally decided to get some shade cloth, and I'll tell you some more reasons why. Before, I tried to put up the landscape fabric, but that blocked up too much light, and it kind of looked, I don't know what the word is, ghetto, if the word is right. Instead of having something more sophisticated like this shade cloth. And a second reason why I bought it is because I want to start my fall garden. If you come along to the back, I did plant a row of carrots from seed right in the middle, and the shade cloth, because it's like 105 degrees right now, but I have to plant them now or else they won't get the right start. So this shade cloth will help you to start your fall garden if you choose to do it. This is actually the first year I'm doing any sort of fall gardening, so I will definitely be reporting back to you on the lessons that I've learned and so on, and any mistakes I made along the way. So, just a quick video. Go ahead, don't be afraid to buy some shade cloth. It will be beneficial. This is personally 30% shade cloth. You can still see right through it, but it is just enough to where I even noticed as soon as I put this up, this plant, a zucchini, you loved to wilt before. Like, it was really droopy. If you saw my one short on when your plant's wilting, this plant really droops. But with the shade cloth here, it's just enough to maybe it gets a little bit of droopiness during the midday, but it's nowhere near as bad. And it, just protects the plants as well, because any sort of stress is bad for the plants. And, we're just looking to get the most abundant harvest, which is what this channel is all about. So I hope you like this video and, got something out of it at least. And if you are interested in fall gardening and more accessories and etc. on gardening, I encourage you to subscribe, like, and comment for more.